What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Day number 27 here, guys. All right, so as you see, as the description or the thumb link says, how to make money with Chat GPT and affiliate marketing, guys. So if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you know when I'm dropping another video to help you make money online or going live on the YouTube platform, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to just really quick show you how to use Chat GPT. We'll get into today's content and we'll take it from there. But guys, listen, Chat GPT is in its infancy stages. So what you want to do is take advantage of the technology that's afforded to you and available to you. So what I want to do is show you how to write a description for your YouTube channel for a description. So I'm going to put here, write a YouTube description for an affiliate marketing opportunity for beginners. Right? So all right, so whoops, spelled that wrong. So watch this, guys. I'm going to go ahead and click. And it's going to show you how to just easily populate. Look at this. Look at this. Are you looking for a perfect opportunity to make money online, to earn money online? In this video, we'll discussing this is, guys, you see how easy this is? And the more advanced you get, so let's just say write a YouTube description for affiliate marketing opportunity for beginners. Let's take a look at this here. Right? And you can go over and it'll give you different ones over and over again. But what I want to do right here is add something to it. And so write a description for an affiliate marketing opportunity for beginners for only $25, which is the side hustle that we're doing, guys, right? All right, so let's take a look at that one. So it says right here, as you can see, for just $25, we'll cover the basics of affiliate marketing. And that's exactly, guys, what the opportunity does. It shows you with the Home Business Academy. It shows you exactly step by step, guys. So this, you can take this and just copy it, right? And then highlight it right into the description of your video, guys. So I'm going to get into this video and show you exactly how the Home Business Academy has something very, very similar to that. And as you can see, guys, it's a $25 opportunity for you just to join, just to get something like this. It's a little bit more advanced. So I'm going to get right into the video, and I'll see you at the end of this video.
So I'm going to give you guys the simplest and easiest way as a complete beginner to start generating $3,000 per month online, working part-time with affiliate marketing in really no more than 5 minutes per day, and leveraging the power of AI. As you can see right here, I've generated over $5,000 in the past 44 days. I'm going to break down exactly in this video how I did this using this little simple tool that you're seeing right here and this email service that delivers roughly 100 leads to you per day. You pay a small monthly fee and you get to email these leads on a daily basis to produce this result. So if you're looking forward to the content within this video, make sure you drop the video like. Also, this is part of a series where I'm showing you each and every day what I'm doing to actually go from $0 to $10,000 per month online part-time. So make sure that you subscribe for tomorrow's video. And with that being said, let's dive right in here. So step number one is you need to get access to this specific service right here. Not only do you get access to this service, but you get access to a lot of other amazing training within here that's going to show you how to generate leads and traffic, build funnels, branding, and really everything in between. But for this specific video and this part of the series, we're just going to focus on this piece of AI known as the Immersion Magic Content Machine. So to get access to this, all you have to do is click the first link in the description below. When you do that, it's going to lead you to a page that looks like this. You can feel free to watch this video here. You can scroll down. I actually encourage you to watch the video and actually read through this. Once you do that, then all you need to do is click on the button right below the video right here. It's going to take you to this page here where you can actually register for the all-in-one digital business. It's only 25 bucks and you can go ahead and you can test it out. And I promise you're going to be happy with the results that you start to generate. Nonetheless, before you come to this page, there might be a little video because I've already been through the link before. Usually what happens is you come to a video that will essentially say, hey, this is what you're paying for. We want to avoid scammers and chargebacks, so on and so forth. So you'll watch that little 2-minute video after you click the link here. And once you do that, then it will lead you to this page. But since I've already clicked this link before, it's just taking me straight to this checkout page right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, you're going to enter all your information right here. And then the most important thing is to check this box right here. This is going to allow you to get access to the HBA Premium traffic and conversion section. That is this section right here, okay, that we're in right now. And you can see that you have free traffic, paid traffic, and you have the Immersion Magic Content Machine. So you're getting a lot of other features besides this built-in AI software. So, and you're going to be using this in the next few videos as far as the other tabs right here. So make sure that you have, in fact, checked this box so we are able to cover those different strategies as well in the next few videos. So once you check this box, you're going to go ahead, you're going to check this box as well here, and then you're going to go ahead and complete your order. Once you complete your order, then you're going to first log in. When you log in, your page is going to look a little bit different. All you need to do is pay attention up here to these different tabs. Then all you need to do is click on the HBA Premium tab right here. Go ahead and click on that and then click on Immersion Magic Content Machine. Okay, once we do that, then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and write an email. And this email is going to be used to promote the All-in-One Business Academy, which is this very offer right here. So we're going to actually become an affiliate and then we're going to re-promote this. Now, to become an affiliate, once you've acknowledged this section here, the HBA Premium, what we're going to do real quickly is we're going to jump over here to the affiliate zone. And what you want to do is you want to watch this video right here, and then you're going to click here to sign up for the affiliate program. Now they leverage a software known as Samcart that keeps track of product sales and pays out affiliates. And once you sign up and click this link and you log in, it's going to take you to this page right here. Okay, this is the page I showed you at the beginning of this video. All you need to do is scroll down and acknowledge all your affiliate links right here. We're actually going to be copying this affiliate link over in just a moment. Okay, so once you've got this set up, obviously step number one, you've got the all-in-one digital business. You've upgraded to the HBA Premium. You've set up your affiliate account here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to begin to write our email. So we're going to jump back over here. Okay, we're going to jump from the affiliate zone back to HBA Premium. And then we're going to go to the Immersive Magic Content Machine. And we're going to go ahead and begin writing our email. So what we're going to do is we're going to put, can you write me an email about making money online in no more than 5 minutes per day, copying and pasting AI content. Let's see what it says. Click on Go Immersion. We're going to give this some time. While this is thinking here, what we're going to do is we're going to create an account in My Lead Gen Secret. There's going to be a link below to go ahead and create your account here. Now, this is so important because we want leads to send our emails out to, right? So once you have an offer, which we have an offer, which is the all-in-one digital business, we now want to get traffic. We want to get eyeballs to that offer, which is why you want to have the HBA Premium, because it's going to teach you those free traffic and paid traffic strategies. And also, email traffic is kind of the cherry on top that I'm giving you here within this video as a bonus. So what you'll want to do to start generating leads very quickly and potential sales is you want to have My Lead Gen Secret. Because as you go through the free traffic strategies right here, and even the paid, it can take some time to start generating leads. Okay, it can take anywhere between a couple weeks to a couple months. But what I want you to be able to do very quickly out of the gate, like what I've been able to do here, is I want you to be able to generate leads and potential sales very, very quickly. So what this service does, known as My Lead Gen Secret, is it will send you 100 leads per day, fresh leads that you can email offers to. So every single day, you're going to get 100 leads. So on day one, you have 100 leads. On day two, you have 200 leads because you get an extra 100. Day three, 300 leads, so on and so forth. So at this point, I've got, if we go over to create a message, I've got quite a bit of leads. You can see all these leads that I have that I'm getting on a daily basis. Now they will upgrade you to 200 leads per day if you bring in a certain amount of people to My Lead Gen Secret, which I show you how to do that as well. There's going to be a complete series that you can get access to in the description below as well. So don't worry, everything's going to be step by step in the description. Nonetheless, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to click the link below that is the sign up link for My Lead Gen Secret. Again, that's going to be in the description below, right below this video, below the title on YouTube. There's a description part and it's going to show you all these steps. So go ahead, click on the next step to sign up for My Lead Gen Secret. Once you get on the inside and you complete your payment, you're going to come to this page right here. And then all you need to do is go over here to create a message, okay? From here, you're going to select all your leads. And then you're going to jump down here to subject. And this is where we take the now created email that Immersion created for us. And we just simply copy and paste it. Like this is ridiculously easy. We paste this over. It says make money online with just 5 minutes per day. And then we're going to scroll down here. We're going to delete this part right here. We're going to jump back over and we are going to copy this right here. And we can modify this to our liking and we're going to paste. And I'm just going to put, hey, have you ever dreamed about making money online without having to invest a lot of time? Well, now it's possible. Fortunes are made online, and now you can join this elite club too with just 5 minutes per day. A revolutionary program has been designed to quickly get you up and running with creating original content that's all powered by AI technology, allowing you to generate profitable content easily and quickly. You'll be able to copy and paste content created by AI that is entirely unique and engaging. We're so sure that you'll make money with this program that if you aren't satisfied, we will refund the cost of the program. I'm just going to delete here because every product is going to be different as far as a refund policy. If you want to make money online while investing just 5 minutes per day, then make sure to visit, make sure to visit here and get started today. I'm going to put to your success, Josh. It's that simple, you guys. And then all we need to do now is jump over to our affiliate back office on Samcart. And we're going to scroll down here. We're going to copy this. We're going to go ahead and jump back here. We're going to highlight, click the anchor text here, link. And we're going to paste here and click OK. Then click on perfect timing and then click on send email. Once we do that, you are good to go. And all you have to do is repeat this each and every single day. And then in conjunction with that, once you become consistent using MLGS and emailing out the HBA offer, then what you could begin to do is go through the free traffic section and the paid traffic section. And I would recommend implementing no more than 2 to 3 traffic strategies. So we're now implementing 1 per day. You can add as much as 3 per day, but don't overwhelm yourself. There's different traffic strategies like YouTube, Facebook. Specifically on YouTube, I actually allow you to copy my YouTube videos to start generating sales with this very program here as well. If you're interested in that, it's important that you watch the series below in the description. There's going to be a link where it says get access to this full series. Click that link and I will show you even more traffic strategies that I'm implementing, such as YouTube, where you, again, can copy my videos and start really scaling up your business. So it really is at this point, getting as much eyeballs to your affiliate links as possible through email marketing, through Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, Instagram.
All right, guys, I hope you got some value from that video. And if you already haven't done so, make sure you join my private Facebook group, #Team Level Up. Well, we do affiliate marketing strategies, some secrets. Sometimes we go live and we do some mentoring inside of this group. All right, guys. So just make sure you go ahead and get involved with this group. So you could go ahead and learn a little bit more for what I teach my team when it comes to affiliate marketing and how to make a residual income from right from your computer, guys. All right. So I will see you on day number 28 tomorrow. Bye for now.